Welcome back to my channel, everyone. For this topic, nako, kung mahilig kayo sa soup, do you love soup? Kasi ako, I love soup, but sometimes I'm using a instant soup from Knorr. So this time, this is a new flavor because usually they have mushroom or oriental corn and soup and stuff, but this time, meron silang Knorr cream of pumpkin. Yan. O, diba? Meron silang bagong pumpkin soup. So, I love pumpkin soup. So, syempre, easy to do, easy to cook, instant. So, I'm gonna try this one. I-try natin iluto yung pumpkin soup ng Knorr. Okay? Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, and also i-like nyo na rin yung video ko. And I have a lot of air fryer recipes here at also salad na rin. Tingnan nyo na rin, please watch my cooking videos and visit my playlist. You can discover a lot of videos here in my playlist in my channel. Okay? What we need first is we just need some water. Lagyan natin ng water yung ating bowl. Yung tama lang. I think this is good for 3 to 4 person. So, yun. Try muna natin yung ganitong quantity of water. Alright. So, look like this. It's like yellow orange powder. So voila, let's put it in the bowl. Yes, okay. So medyo mainit yung ating water. Ayan, so mix it. Ayan. Haluin yung soup hanggang sa medyo lumapot na siya. So, haluin lang natin. We can add some black pepper, pampalasa. Let's add some milk to make it more nicer and tastier. Almost done. And to make it more thicker, let's add some flour. Yan. Para mas thicker siya. O, diba? See? It's more thicker and better yung kanyang texture. So, there you go. Pwede na nating i-prepare because ready na ang ating pumpkin soup by Knorr. siyang pumpkin. I like it. Parang real pumpkin talaga siya. At least you have an idea how to cook this pumpkin soup. Thank you for watching this topic. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye!